Hi everyone, my name's Adam and I'm making my video on how to build your local AI agent team. I built a website with it and it's about a book I wrote, PI Building Local AI Agents, a deep dive into the PI harness. So PI is a tool that you can use, it's a harness, and you can connect up sub-agents and have an orchestrator and get it to do anything you like and build anything. So what I'm including as well in this, you learn about how to install PI from scratch, how to compile and run llama.cpp. I'm running llama.cpp and a 3090, so everything's run locally. I've organized it with 12 different models in Llama Swap, and I wire it to the back end, and in the course you'll learn more about the settings JSON and the models JSON and what they do, and then the different skills that the agents use and their different extensions. So I include 13 specialized agents, have 93 skills, and hot reload 5 to save on context. And I'll explain more about that in the course. And then you can run live multi-agent projects that can do researching, coding, reviewing, anything you can think of. So even like I created this website just by telling the AI what I wanted with my harness, and it built it. So yeah, what I'm planning is a 6-video series with short videos, and you get the ebook which explains everything in more detail, and there are all the ready to run configs. I'll basically give you my full setup that I backed up to GitHub, and you can run this on a 3090 or even a 16 gig card or even less. It just will be a bit slower. And also I've downloaded heaps of different skills and I'll bundle them as well. So for early adopters, yes, so this is the pricing plans I'm looking at, and this is going to go here for the video teaser, and you'll be okay. So now I'm going to show you the harness. I'll run it up with pi command, and I have got some models loaded in Llama Swap that the harness can see and Llama Swap can see. I'm using version 81.1, and I've got a goal skill. These are my different skills. I'll show you the goal skill today quickly, and I'll show you it doing some web search and use a sub agent. So let's kick it off. I'll hit it, say hi. And as you can see, I've got NV-top loading down here just to show you how much RAM it's using, VRAM, and how much it loads up, 6 kilobytes when it starts. So let's get it to do a task. I will get it to read the goal skill, and in a table show me the sub-agents by category. Just say category. So while it's doing that, I'm running this also in tmux, so I can run 2 screens, which is what you need if you want to be able to see a sub-agent working. So let's see what it comes up with. It reads the skill, it reads the orchestrate MD, which it's told to do, and it's categorized the different sub-agents I have. So today we're going to look more at, so the orchestrator, he's the coordinator, what we're using now, and we're going to use the researcher. So let's ask him to do a web search task. So it's going to use, let's try this. What is pi.dev, and what is the latest change to it in 81? Let's say 81.10. So and save your findings as a summary in this folder, just so it knows. Use subagent this task. So if I didn't say to use the researcher, it would just go and do it itself. So it's going to spawn, it knows to spawn a researcher subagent to investigate. So it's just going to do this. It knows it made that folder for us. It told you, now it's going to tell you what it's going to do. It's going to find the latest changes. It's going to make a summary, and it's going to wait for steerback. So this guy sits idle using 14 kilobytes. And this guy is going to go and start working, and as you can see, it starts off a really small amount of memory as well with its context. That's really important. So this shouldn't take very long. Gave it a really simple task. So he's going to write a summary. And we will see what should happen. It should hand it back to the orchestrator, close the session, and the orchestrator should read the summary. And as you can see, I've got all the work happening here. I just like to keep an eye on the video memory, but we don't really need to do that. Sometimes I have a look at how llama swap's going, just depending. So the idea is you give it a lot of tasks to do, it goes away and runs them for you, and then you come back and your debugging's done, your website's created, whatever you wanted, your research task, it's built a skill for you, whatever you can think of. We'll go way into more depth into this in the course, and you'll understand how to set it all up from scratch, which models to download, and there you go. So thanks for watching my preview and a bit of a sample of the harness, and look forward to seeing you in the online in Reddit and in Discord. Thank you.